What's up, my stylish people? This is Shank. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about 5 printed shirts you can buy during the Amazon's Great Indian Festival Sale 2021. You must be thinking, we are nearing winter and why we need a printed shirts haul. Here in India, most of the times the temperatures are going to be on the higher side, irrespective of the season. That's why I feel that the printed shirts are more or less the staple. Always a pro tip you should consider while buying a printed shirt. Go with the neutral color as the base and then play with the color of the prints as a pop color on your printed shirt. Having said that, let us quickly start with the shirt number 1. It is a blue color geometric pattern half sleeve Cuban collar shirt from Jack & Jones that I got it in a size of medium. It is priced at 2,500 rupees. I got this at a price point of 1,250 rupees at 50% off. Mind you, this is a new arrival. Sometimes you can get new arrivals on discount during the Amazon sales. That's why I suggest you guys to target these kind of new arrivals during the Amazon Great Indian Festival Sale 2021. So what exactly I liked in this shirt? Of course, here the base is blue color, and on top of that, the prints color here is a rust orange as well as beige color. So altogether I like the combination and I also like the prints of it. When it comes to the printed shirts, I always make sure that I go with the Cuban collar options. Number 2, always an important option you need to consider while buying a printed shirt, it would be the fit. Either go with the resort fit or regular fit. Sometimes when you're going with the cotton options and if you want to use them from semi-casual to semi-formal, you will get away by going with the slim fit, but often make sure that you go either with regular or resort fit. Here this is a regular fit shirt from Jack & Jones and it fits exactly how a regular fit should be. However, there is a minor disqualifier, that would be the flaring of the sleeves, because here the material composition do not have any viscose to it. It's a 100% cotton shirt. But that can be something that is subjective based on your arm size, and also a single pin roll can minimize that issue. Moving on to the option number 2. It is a blue color Cuban collar floral printed shirt from Rare Rabbit that is priced at 2,800 rupees. This I got it in a size of medium. It is a tailored fit shirt. It's actually a regular fit shirt, but Rare Rabbit generally name their fit as a tailored fit. The print you have seen in the previous shirt, it's actually a geometric pattern. It's been trending since maybe last 2 years or 2.5 years, but when it comes to printed shirts, the first thing you can relate or you can imagine it would be a floral printed, and I got you guys covered with the blue color option. Yes, you're gonna see one more blue option as well, but all the blues we are gonna see in this video, they have slight difference when it comes to shades. It's a 100% cotton one, so I like the feel of it. It's a floral printed one, but here the flower prints are actually scattered and they are minimal, and this is a great example of how subtler printed shirts can be. Even when it comes to the flower prints also, it is also in the blue color with a slight tint of green to it. Overall, if you want a printed shirt that can be super subtle, which you can wear to office on Fridays and even carry the same to the Friday evenings, this can be the shirt for you. When it comes to the fit, as I mentioned earlier, they name it as tailored fit, but it's a regular fit and it fits perfectly. And I got this at a price point of 1,400 to 1,500, but I'm pretty much sure that starting from October 3rd during the Amazon sale, you can get this anywhere close to at least 50% to 60% off. Generally, I will keep the best for the last. In simpler terms, my favorite for the last option. But for a change, let's go with my favorite as the third option in this haul. It's a marble or abstract printed Cuban collar shirt from Rare Rabbit that is priced at 2,800 rupees. I got this in a size of medium. I think for the back to college shopping challenge of 10k, I wore this shirt for the air roll, means the narration part, and so many of you guys asked me the link for this option, and this is that shirt from Rare Rabbit. This print seriously is one of my favorite. It looks something like a print on the granite or marbles, but I am really in love with the colors. Here they have this mauve color, creamish color, brown, and all kind of earthy tones with the light green, I mean mineral green going on. The colors look so pleasant to the eyes. When it comes to the fit, it's a regular fit shirt and it fits well. And also when it comes to the composition, it is made of 100% cotton, feels so smooth. Not as smooth as the previous option, but somewhere in between the first and third option. I do not have any disqualifiers for this option, guys, but there is something which you need to keep in your mind while ordering this one. The material is slightly on the thinner side. As we are done with my favorite shirts, let's move on to the shirt number 4. It is a white floral printed half sleeve Cuban collar shirt from Jack & Jones that is priced at 2,500 rupees. I got this in a size of medium. It is a regular fit shirt. In case if you are following this channel, you must have already seen this shirt in my previous hauls, I think maybe 2 or 3 weeks back, but I included in this one because it's a printed shirts video, and this one I really like it. Generally when it comes to printed shirts, I often tend to go with the darker color as the base, but For a change, I thought, let's go with the white color as a base. And I'm glad that I took the decision. When it comes to the floral prints here, they have this brownish beige color going on top of the white color, which altogether is a pleasant combination to have when it comes to printed shirts. Just like the printed shirt number 2 in this haul, if you want an all-round option when it comes to the printed shirts that you can wear from semi-casual to casual, I think these are the color combinations you should target for. However, the prints are a little bit bolder when compared to the printed shirt number 2, and the biggest advantage for this shirt when it is compared to all the other shirts in this haul, it would be the material composition. It is made of premium cotton, but it is also having a composition of viscose to it, and the material feels so smooth, and this shirt gives you the nice flowy vibe. When it comes to the price point, I think I got this somewhere close to 1200 rupees. This is also a new arrival from Jack & Jones. If you go to the Central store or Jack & Jones store, you need to buy them at retail price points, but here on Amazon, you're getting them on discount. If not for Amazon, on any other platforms also, you're gonna find at least some sort of discount rather than buying offline. Moving on to the printed shirt number 5. It is a blue color, full sleeves, floral printed shirt from Rare Rabbit. That is priced at 3000 rupees. I got this in a size of medium just like the other shirts, and I got a 50% off on this one. Yes, I do agree with you guys. 1500 rupees for a printed shirt. It is still expensive, and that too when the print is this bold. Of course, it's an expensive option. So what exactly I liked? When it is compared to the other 2 blue printed shirts in this video, here the blue is a little bit on the brighter side. On top of that, here the pop is the pink color when it comes to the floral prints. In case if you're looking for a high quality printed shirt with full sleeves and you want the prints to be on the bolder side, these are the options you need to target for. When it comes to the composition, it's a 100% cotton shirt, and in line with the previous option, the cotton is of premium quality and it feels so smooth on your skin. I am little bit skeptical while ordering this one, how this color combination of blue with pink and along with that they have this white color also, how it's gonna look. Once I received this shirt and started mixing and matching with the trousers in different colors, I felt that this is versatile. It's much more inclined to the casual option. I'm not sure why a button down collar has been given for the printed. This is a tailored fit option. Unlike the previous option which you have seen in this video, these are tailored fit options. It fits somewhere between the slim fit as well as the regular fit. I feel that this shirt will look better if you tuck in with the chinos or the drawstring pants and use the sneakers. That's it for this video, guys. These are the 5 printed shirts I got for this video, and I hope you guys liked it. If you did so, don't forget to click the like button, and it would mean a lot to me if you subscribe to this channel. That's it from me. See you next time.